Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best shower steamers is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your daily routine, turning a simple shower into a spa-like sanctuary that melts away stress and revitalizes your senses with aromatic essential oils, creating an immersive experience that elevates your well-being and leaves you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated after every use. Number 5. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 15-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Infused with premium rose essential oil, they turn your shower into a personal spa. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make excellent presents for Father's Day, birthdays, or just because. Show your loved ones you care with a gift of relaxation. Let the soothing scent of rose essential oil melt away your stress. It's the perfect way to achieve deep relaxation and self-care after a long day. Crafted with high-quality essential oils, each tablet provides a rich and immersive aromatherapy experience. Enjoy the benefits of natural relaxation. This generous 15-pack ensures you have plenty of opportunities to unwind. Enjoy a spa-like experience whenever you need a moment of peace. Indulge in a moment of tranquility with these luxurious shower steamers. They are designed for both men and women seeking a little extra pampering. What we like? This option comes in a generous 15-pack, perfect for extended relaxation. Infused with premium rose essential oil, it offers a luxurious floral aroma. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a special occasion or want to indulge in a romantic spa experience at home, this is an excellent choice. What people say? These shower steamers are a fantastic addition to my shower routine. They release a wonderful aroma that fills the entire bathroom, creating a spa-like experience. I love how long the scent lasts. One steamer can provide a calming fragrance for my entire shower, and sometimes even into the next. The packaging is also very nice. Each steamer is individually wrapped, which keeps them fresh and makes them easy to store. Number 4. Cleverfy Shower Steamers Aromatherapy. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Indulge in a spa-like experience right in your own bathroom. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These steamers are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Show her you care with a unique and relaxing present. Unwind and de-stress with the power of aromatherapy. Each tablet releases soothing scents to help you relax and rejuvenate. Enjoy a variety of delightful fragrances with our set of 6 shower steamers. Find your favorite scent to enhance your mood. Simply place one in your shower and let the steam work its magic. It's an effortless way to bring tranquility into your day. Whether it's for your mom, wife, best friend, or sister, these steamers make a wonderful gift for any woman. They're sure to appreciate the special treat. What we like? This set includes 6 tablets, ideal for trying out or for those who prefer a more curated selection. It's specifically marketed as a great gift for women in your life. If you're searching for a delightful present for a friend, sister, or partner, this offers a charming and convenient spa treat. What people say? The scent is amazing and really helps me relax. I love how long the scent lasts, it fills my whole bathroom. These are a great addition to my shower routine, they make it feel like a spa. Number 3. Shower Steamers Aromatherapy Blriet Gifts. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Simply place one in your shower and let the soothing scents transform your space into a personal spa. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make wonderful presents for women, teens, wives, moms, grandmas, and anyone who deserves a little pampering. From birthdays and Mother's Day to Father's Day and just because, these are perfect additions to gift baskets and a delightful surprise. Bring the luxury of a spa into your own bathroom. Enjoy a moment of relaxation and self-care without leaving your home. Compact and easy to use, they're also great travel essentials. Take your relaxation ritual with you wherever you go. This set includes 8 delightful steamers, offering a variety of scents to suit your mood. It's a great way to explore aromatherapy. What we like? With 8 tablets, this set provides a good balance for regular use or as part of a gift basket. It doubles as a decorative item, adding a touch of charm to your bathroom. If you appreciate multifunctional products and need something suitable for travel or as a unique stocking stuffer, consider this option. What people say? These shower steamers are a fantastic way to unwind after a long day. They release a wonderful aroma that fills the entire bathroom, creating a spa-like experience. I love how long the scent lasts. Even after a long shower, the fragrance lingers, making my bathroom smell amazing. The packaging is also very pretty and makes these a great gift option. They are well made and don't crumble easily. Number 2. Shower Steamers Aromatherapy, USA made. Transform your shower into a personal spa. Our shower steamers are crafted with natural ingredients for ultimate relaxation. Breathe in the soothing scent of lavender oil. It's designed to melt away your stress and calm your mind. Enjoy a generous aromatherapy experience with our large shower bombs. They provide a long-lasting, delightful aroma. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make wonderful spa gifts for women, men, new moms, and nurses. Feel good about what you're using. They are proudly made in the USA with high-quality, natural ingredients. Take a moment for yourself to unwind and recharge. Let the aromatherapy work its magic and leave you feeling refreshed. What we like. Proudly made in the USA with natural ingredients, this choice emphasizes quality and purity. The large shower bombs ensure a potent and long-lasting aromatherapy experience. If you prioritize natural formulations, seek significant stress relief, or want to pamper new mothers and nurses, this is a highly recommended selection. What people say. The scents are amazing and really fill the shower with a relaxing aroma. They dissolve slowly, providing a long-lasting aromatherapy experience. The packaging is beautiful and makes them a great gift option. Number 1. Shower Steamers Aromatherapy, 18-pack shower bombs. Experience ultimate relaxation with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Infused with organic essential oils, they turn your daily shower into a luxurious home spa treatment. This set includes 18 shower bombs, offering a generous supply of aromatic bliss. Enjoy a different scent or mood each day. Looking for the perfect gift? These make wonderful Christmas stocking stuffers, birthday presents, or white elephant gifts for adults, women, and teens. Crafted with organic essential oils, each bomb releases soothing aromas designed for deep relaxation. Unwind and de-stress after a long day. Elevate your everyday routine with these delightful shower steamers. They provide a simple yet effective way to enhance your mood and well-being. Show someone you care with this thoughtful gift set. It's a wonderful way to encourage relaxation and self-care for anyone special in your life. What we like. This is the largest pack available, with 18 shower bombs for ultimate value and extended enjoyment. It features organic essential oils for a pure and natural scent experience. If you're looking for a fantastic value, need a bulk option for holiday stocking stuffers, or want to create an at-home spa sanctuary, this is the perfect pick. What people say. These shower steamers are a game changer for my morning routine. They release a wonderful aroma that fills the entire bathroom, creating a spa-like experience. I love how long these steamers last. One tablet provides a good 15 to 20 minutes of aromatherapy, which is perfect for a relaxing shower. The packaging is also very thoughtful. Each steamer is individually wrapped, ensuring freshness and making them easy to store and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.